Next, I'm going to show you how to input, interpret and follow up your soil health scorecard data using the tool for England and Wales. First, input your site data, your farm name, your field name or number, sample date, and anything that helps you identify that specific sample location. From the drop-down menus, you can select your region, the land use, and the topsoil character. Next, you can input your field assessment data. For VES, your 3 replicates, remembering to use the value from your most limiting layer observed in each replicate. And I'm going to insert a picture here as well for future reference. Then your earthworm replicate results. And also your spade width, which is important because the benchmarks are based on values from a spadeful of soil from a 20 centimetre or 8-inch width spade. Next, onto your laboratory results, your soil organic matter based on loss of ignition, pH, and nutrients. And if you've decided to include them, the microbial activity optional indicators. Once inputted, your results appear in the results box, where they have been automatically assigned red, amber, and green colours that relate to the recommended course of action to investigate, review, or monitor.